Other heavy, loaded up the set. Double cup crazy, you know I keep me plenty. 2s, 257s, push a watermelon, keep a mech 11. Get the blocks heavy, cocaine white Chevy. Having chicken 100K, that's just all Freddy. 50 more of Eddie, mom's cold cuts fresh about the deli. Prezi more like Wesley, my knife ain't nasty. Ready with the Chevy, top small little Debbie. Fat, I said yeah man fuck that, I make this shit spaghetti. I ain't zooming in the Vetti. So shorty out the drop top, showing ass and titties. I've been Metro Boomin', show my ass baby. Ha, how you doing? That's right. On my way to Linux, yeah, keep a little effort. Do this shit effortless, my trigger finger sensitive. Please don't call me Jefferson, like the whole development. 162nd Street. You gon' need a reference, you gon' need to check it. Keep a close relationship with Franklin's and Benjamin. Money, yeah, look, shit like 500 degrees, call it young money. Money with the soldier masterpiece, you know I keep 100. Need that DJ, catch me in the colors. Terror squad, react, say block, you know how we coming. Lock out the door, lock out the door. Designer to the floor, this the DJ not the door. 488, they can hear that bitch roar. Kids money on my necklace, bust that bitch down. Bitch temper flexes, use a rip from Cali. Got a few badges, never hard to find me. I even drop the address though, paper make me sick. 2 homes, 2 whips, 2 phones, yeah, spins. You know I love the pop shit, Prezi keep it knocked in. Let's be honest, know I'm the hottest. Right from Mount Right, I'ma send her off to college. Go down for some knowledge, yeah, it's the ring college. Holler for some dollars, yeah, I be poppin'. Let's be honest, you do the same shit I did, still poppin'. No money the only topic, yeah, lying by the 6. Why the 6, the rest of the clip, all a part of the plan. These diamonds here dance, grab my block, start to cap it. If you don't know me, I don't want no fucking cats, yeah, that's a fact. ABT stitches, it's Drizzy, PYT, keep it freaky. Salute you when you see me, grab my sad boy, I see your little ass up on TV. Cooley said I'm cutie, renovate her body, put that bitch in the crib. 5 will make him do a flip, 9 to keep it in the switch. Yeah, little penny, picture shit, little 3 bricks, spend his love on the brick, big 50 clip. You know I get ignorant, fuck it. Dale cabrón. Rocks I had to cook in this jar just to get this far. Ain't block, we ain't far from where the money at. Rock 100 packs, I know crack is wax. I took that, put rocks all in a pussy cat. 26 racks, we went rock for rock, I was poppin' lock. Wanna level up or play dumb, programming what the broke boys do. 500 this week pop, tell them calm down. Send 50 shots, settle like Lily Fresh. Beatbox, I'ma take a block to the top. 20 round extra clips, so I put 100 in the shoebox. Get your moon rock, those ain't Rolex rocks. Bullshit TikTok, doing TikToks. Doing TikToks with a baddie. She just wanna drop the boat, bitch, real nasty. 21st encounter with a stally. Late to get a Prezi in the caddy. Works up, what up? Play dumb, then it's catch up. If it's up, then it's up. Little rich bitches, Prezi said what up? 3 caddies, 6 matches, 10 Mac trucks. 150 just to keep it bulletproof up. 11 tech, ultra rich, big both icy. Got the room looking like to hit it. Lambo Urus of the milk truck. These young boys wanna kill us. Pretty crazy bitches wanna stick their hands in my cookie jar. Not know how many rocks I have to cook in this his jaw just to get this far. A-block. Ride a shotty with a shotty, whole trunk full of Molly. Try to lie me on skating on his broccoli. Shot spitting in the Kawasaki. Mama thought I signed the Illuminati, cause I'm getting all this money. Ha, ha, let's get back to it. I speak facts real fluid. Tell the young chicks to come be my student. Go watch here, pressing my scoop. Stepped out with 30 and I wanna go coop it. We coming down. You know how I get when I get around. You done seen carrots bust down Cupid. I just the label of music. What are we doing? What? Can't take the shit with us. So I went put 50 on my wrist, bro. Ha, big 7 pass me a lip brush. I don't ever keep my shit tucked in. It's against my religion. Pull out, she still come big rocks looking like Bill does. Bitch watching, I got another one. Coming where I'm coming from. Shitting me. Had to pay cash, no easy pass. Bitch for a bitch, add 3 to that. 10 toes down, no piggy back. Ratchet on ratchet with a mini bag. No strings attached, pretty big homies. Free black. My hands work, but I keep a pocket rocket pack. Roll on Rolex with a dab of ranch. Birds, they was coming for. Cincinnati took 4, Larry, no Jersey. Jersey 30. That shit holding their throat, son. Had Mary got her throat coming. Starting for the show coming. I'm on the road running. Show ball course you 40 something. Show ball course like 40 something. I cost you 30, maybe 40, maybe 50. Shit that you know in the city, get a million is a war. Shots through the door, let me take you on a tour. When they serve the raw, on the road to a Ford, a Corvette, a Porsche. Garbage in the streets, food for the less fortunate. Enough for the liquor, that's the belly of the beast. Wear stitches on your feet before they catch you in the street. The homie need a change on the side. I put him on, that was changing his life. Shout out the gang from his leg to the signs on his dead. 10 toes to the head, to the sky for real. Behemoth of a man, she gave me cappuccino to casino for a bed. I ride with the eye of the people before they land. Morning was a porch, I just caught one, just to pass his grave, just to say my piece. Really hate your name, game full of lames. I don't watch you, no prison or entertain. Never took death well, jail sucks. We the members out of them hell cells. Lost a lot of 6 years and I gained plenty. Bypass my past, drinking little Remy. R.P. Remy, R.P. shot, the black. Tell me my nigga Blizzy, crazy when I'm happy. Something inside don't let me. It's like my feelings empty, like my niggas missing. Damn, I miss my niggas. Hands on the wrists, you know that's no kissy. Yeah, I get me, but I'm born Christian. Grew up poor living, my home was a trap. I was born, shit the boss leash. Keep the bitch muzzle, I'm crazy how to spell you. When you move up to, but if it's fuck me, you know it's fuck you. Me, you know it's fuck you. But if it's fuck me, like I ain't tough too, like let me shut up too. Nigga self-wire, free block, free black promise, ain't no shit whack, no expiration dates on the get backs. Don't forget that, you get feeling cursed. Tapping like a walk-through, like that ain't the realest shit you ever heard too. Word too, when you did money shit be a curse too. Keep you drip draining, bunch of master splinters. The days getting shorter and the boys they told on release date around the corner. Say a prayer, he a gonna hang on, huh?